Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce stress levels with Calm, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Calm app on your device. If you don't have it installed yet, download it from your app store. Once opened, you'll see the main dashboard filled with various options. Tap on the meditation section to explore different guided sessions. You can filter sessions by duration, skill level, or topic. Choose a meditation that resonates with your current mood or needs. Next, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax. Settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Press play on the selected meditation to begin. Follow the guide's instructions, focusing on your breath and letting, if your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the meditation. After the session, take a moment to notice how you feel. Now, explore the sleep section for calming sleep stories or relaxation sounds. Select a sleep story or gentle soundscape that you find appealing. Enjoy these soothing options to wind down before bedtime. You can also check out the music section for calming playlists. Listen to the music during moments of stress or while working. Consider setting aside time each day for meditation or mindfulness. Creating a routine can significantly enhance your overall relaxation. Finally, use the journal feature to express your thoughts and feelings. This practice can help clarify your mind and foster a sense of calm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.